to my channel. Today I'll be trying to make donut for the first ever time. So here I take a bowl. I'll add 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon yeast. Now I'll add half a cup of milk. I'll mix it well so that the sugar gets dissolved. Now I take a separate bowl. I'm going to sieve the maida or refined flour. Once that's done, keep it aside. Now take a mixer and add 2 cinnamon sticks and sugar. Here I have added around 5 to 6 spoons of sugar and I'll make a powder of it. Now this is the yeast which has been ready to go into the flour. Now I'm adding a pinch of salt into my flour. I'll add the yeast mixture and form the dough. Once the dough come together, you need to rest the dough for an hour, even better. So I had to redo the dough due to some error, and this is the dough which I made for the second time, and it's ready. I'm going to add some more flour to the dough and knead it really well. So once the dough comes to a firm position, I'm going to roll out the dough. Roll out the dough evenly. Now I'm using a glass tumbler to cut the shape for our donuts. Now I'm making a nice hole at the center and repeat this for the rest of the donuts. Now our donuts are ready to be fried. I also made small donut balls with the leftover dough. Now fry your donuts in medium to low heat. They should get a really nice golden brown color. My donuts were like mini donuts. You can make them as mini or as big as you wish. Now they are perfectly fried. You can bake them or even air fry them. This is the cinnamon sugar which I had made earlier. Now I'm going to coat my donut with the sugar. Do this while your donuts are still hot so that the sugar sticks well and the texture will be amazing. You can see the interior of this donut. They were so crispy on the outside and so gooey and chewy on the inside. That's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.